Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to submit news to Quora. For this guys, you just need to open up your Quora application as I have already opened it. And guys, just click on the post button at the top right of your screen. Now over here guys, you just need to enter the news. See guys, I have written the news. And guys, just click on the post button. See guys, your news has been uploaded. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.